Now we're going to set the job out, and the tools we use for setting out obviously have a bearing on the accuracy. So let's just look at the pencil to start with. The common or garden pencil. You might think any pencil would do, but it won't. What we want is a reasonably hard pencil so the lead doesn't crumble. A 2H is ideal, but it needs sharpening slightly different to the type of pencil we would use for drawing. What we do in effect, we sharpen it chisel shape. We take a lump off of one side flat like so, we turn it 180 degrees and we take a bit off the other side, and then the other two at 90s we just take a small shaving, and we end up with a pencil tip like that. But we haven't finished. We need it sharp, just like our tools. So we use a piece of garnet paper and we rub the lead flat from both sides where we took the large shavings, and we've now got a chisel shaped 2H pencil. Now that's going to put us